When it comes to dropshipping, choosing the right service can be the key to your business's success, especially if you're looking for customization options. So, today we're diving into a comparison between two popular platforms, Modalyst versus Doba. Which one provides more customization for your dropshipping needs? Stick around until the end because, after testing both, I'll be revealing an even better alternative for you to consider. Let's start with Modalyst. One of its main selling points is its ability to integrate seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and Wix. The customization comes in the form of a user-friendly interface that allows you to tailor your store, select suppliers, and edit product listings with ease. However, when it comes to customization beyond the basics, Modalyst can feel a bit limited, especially if you want more control over how your products are displayed or if you're looking for deeper branding options. Next thing, let's talk about the product catalog. Modalyst offers a large variety of suppliers and products, which is a plus if you want to offer unique items. You can filter through the catalog by product type, price, and shipping region. While this is great for niche businesses, there's still not much flexibility if you want to dig deeper into how your store and product pages are laid out. You're limited to whatever the integrations allow, which might not be enough for those seeking high levels of customization in the long run. Moving on to Doba, a competitor that has been around for a while. Doba also provides integration with platforms like Shopify and eBay, but its customization tools aren't as streamlined as Modalyst's. Doba's interface is straightforward, but customization mostly revolves around managing products, placing orders, and tracking shipments. The downside here is that Doba doesn't offer as much flexibility in customizing the look and feel of your e-commerce site. It's more about managing your products and inventory, rather than giving you the creative freedom to make your site your own. The fourth thing is how each platform handles supplier relations. Modalyst gives you access to curated suppliers who meet certain quality standards, and you can even work with premium suppliers for higher-end products. While you can't fully customize these suppliers, Modalyst does allow you to filter based on factors like price, location, and shipping speeds. Doba, on the other hand, is more about providing a wide variety of suppliers with basic product details and less filtering options. If you're looking to really refine your product offerings with specific suppliers, Modalyst might be a better fit. Finally, when it comes to support and ease of use, both platforms offer decent customer service, but Modalyst shines with its educational resources and community forums. If you're someone who needs a lot of hand-holding and advice, Modalyst could be your go-to, offering webinars and articles to guide you through the dropshipping journey. Doba's support is more standard, so while it's still good, it's not as hands-on as what you get with Modalyst. So, which service provides more customization? Well, based on what we've seen, Modalyst offers a bit more flexibility when it comes to integrations and product filtering. But Doba is solid if you're looking for simplicity. Just don't expect it to give you the depth of customization that Modalyst does. Now, both platforms are good, but if you're looking for the ultimate dropshipping solution with even more customization for your business, I've got a better recommendation for you. After trying all of them myself, I recommend checking out the free trial linked in the description below. By using this link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if you want a dropshipping service that gives you more control and freedom, make sure to give it a shot.